Hello friends, welcome back to our Magento tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the sessions. So what is a session, how you can save the data to the session, and how you can retrieve and delete the information from the session. Okay, now let's get into the topic. So what is the purpose of session? A session is a temporary storage so that it will help to save the data temporarily and retrieve that information in any other places. For example, you have created one functionality in the home page and you want to retrieve that information in the checkout or cart page or any catalog pages. So with the help of this session data, you can retrieve that same information in other pages as well. Okay, now let's get into the code base. You see here, I have created one controller, that is session.php. Inside of it, I am using one session manager class. So what this session manager will do, it will retrieve the data and set the data from the session. Okay, now first we will set the data to the session. How you can set the data? With the help of this set data method. So inside of this set data, you put that key and value pair. So what is the key you add? Any username or whatever the name you want to retrieve the information with the help of this key only. Okay, now I set the data. How you can retrieve that data? Just print whatever the data first, then we will check how you can retrieve with individual key. As I have created the controller, this is my path of the controller. You see here in the session data, I'm getting username as webdev chandra. So for testing, if you want to check it, add some test. Okay, you see here the value got updated. That means it is working. Till now, I'm just setting the data and retrieving it. If you want to retrieve only this username data from the session, how you can do that? Okay, just add the username. You see here whatever the value associated for the username, webdev chandra test. Okay, that I am able to retrieve it. Now how to unset the data? I am setting the data, that is fine. Again, I don't need to set the data because in the session it's already there. Now I am unsetting the data and retrieve the session data. Is the session value is there or not? We will check it. You see here the session data has been removed. So this way you can delete the session data. Add the prefix uns and key here. Okay, so it will automatically delete the data from the session. Okay, I hope you understand. In the next video, I will discuss more on customer session, catalog and checkout sessions. Thanks for watching.